Stop. Don't rush. We are not in a rush here. Oh, this thing is gonna go. It's already played. How am I gonna do this? Okay, it's not again. Okay, good. Guys, okay, as you've seen everything. The videos are out. There's snippets of 2 videos of beef. Yep, in Mayengani, now Mr. Post. So I'm just gonna take a listen to both of them, and then you guys will decide which one is the best. Or maybe let's not even try to compare both of them. We're just gonna enjoy them. I just want to enjoy them. You know what? Let's not waste any time. Guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell to make sure that whenever we do a videos, you're not left behind. In that action, so I sungula ya Ben Mayengani, layer beef. I doing it. I like the show. I could look watch come by the club. Mara sta loko ze ku kusungula tlangile xo vulavulela wa stongo ma kona ku la bixingiro munhu so a hi tweni benishirini tixaka se ta danana and a ro sungula hi tomarite tixaka ta danana tixaka ta danana ku vulawa man team Shiriman kumshani mhaka leyi nga humelela yele ka Thomo le ku nga holova Mr Post na Prince Rangani va nga pushana. I believe Ben Mayengani is making a reference to that. Actually, let's continue. I learned video in song is that 30 seconds. So I'll be rushing this one. Loglewa Helen Nkanelo Mr Post ito irin. Vatalovaga itsiva borana haibo. Oh, look, Mr Post apushana na Prince Rangana stage. Is that what Ben is referring to? I believe he's referring to that. Guys, I didn't think it's gonna come straight like literally going straight at this whole thing. We know good beef ya Benina na Mr. Post ya Bora saying, Mara, I didn't think these guys will just go straight like that. I thought maybe Vatash by massive, yeah, guys. Oh, le kuna chorus le yo banana no danana mengadaya sula go kumekwa reference to the allegations ya aku miso spam kuba ngadaya spam. Shiri aba borada bagadaya so borada mare Ben Mayengani ba borada no man yeah hello in clip le 30 seconds and ile hangi mara ile si belanga itusa sona so loko huma clip le 1 mina ni hlekete ngivela obvious kurwa Mr Post guys mina hlamali I'm topless guys and beside loko mbona nina swo basa anokuhlambeni and then kube na problem yaku nikuma nga check kuma tuma kwala kumenja no tota isibi mina kuneta kuma kwala matuma aku mchum so nsamisa zwa nimele kuma tuma vuya amesevuya mastako lokho kunga family shedding kufamba mat. So hey guys, you know what, I tonen ku Mr Post yena ikhobele yini hayi leswa mina da slag but a big player bora scene. Okay guys, so we are busy with reaction videos for Mr Post and Ben Mayengani. I did Ben Mayengani before and now I'm busy with Mr Post. So for those who don't know, Mr Post is one of Xitsonga musician and also Ben Mayengani is also another Xitsonga musician. These guys at the moment, they're at the top and they're busy beefing each other, which I feel like it's healthier, you know, because their beef for me it's a little boring. But let's hear what Mr Post responded, because after that video, yeah, Ben Mayengani Uma, Mr Post also released a video of himself. Actually, he released a song. Mr Post also released a song where he's beefing. He's beefing Ben Mayengani, no doubt about that. Let's hear it. However, but this is the same beat. They're all using the same beat. Are these guys fooling us or they're just tricking us or something? I'm suspecting something. Mr Post is too much, guys. Mr Post is talking about Ben Mayengani's house. So he's making a reference to Ben Mayengani's house. I see in the video they even use Ben Mayengani's house that is not finished. So they actually saying Ben Mayengani's house is like a mall because it's so huge, it's big. And it's not finished, it's not done, according to what we know. But I posted that lie, guys. I posted beef. Yo, guys, don't mind my white things here. I was trying to take a shower, and because I'm from a village, you know, in the rural areas, I usually put soap before I open the shower. So I did that, and then when I opened the shower, I found that there's no water, as you've seen in the previous video. So apologies about that. Let's see what Mr. Post has in store. So these guys are giving us just snippets, guys. Unfortunately, I don't have the full song. Also, I don't even have Ben Mayengani's full song. I just only have those clips. So you guys, what do you think? Who has the better beef? If I can choose, I'm always accused of taking sides or I'm biased or whatever. I don't know. In all honesty, I feel like the beat is the same. Almost similar, but I feel like the beat, yeah, Mr. Post is better. And lyrically, Mr. Post is also very funny as well. Ben Mayengani is on the other side. He's talking about the issuing of like Tomo where Prince Rangani anga pushana Mr. Post. So he's making fun of that incident. I spoke about it previously on the show. So it's interesting. I like Ben Mayengani singing though. Ben Mayengani singing, it's up to scratch. I just feel like maybe if we can get something like someone to make him like, you know, nice beats, you know, like if you can get great beats like the Pista Rangani, you know, I feel like that guy he has nice flow, he has nice voice, and his singing is great. But in terms of beef, got these songs. Guys, you know what? Let me not. I'm actually tired of this, guys. I thought I'm not gonna make a video about this, but then people are begging me, oh, please make a video about it. I'm like, okay, here it is. What do you guys think? Do you think it's a way to go when they beef each other using music? I think that's the way. It reminds me of Beef Tupac and B.I.G. Who's B.I.G. Kashtonga? It's Mr. Post. Tupac is Ben Mayengani. So you guys, what do you think? Tell me down below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. And also hit the notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you're not left behind. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next upload. Legere mina dinadora. I guess doors. Kitole kilinyora. Salut. Mga titimel.